Good day. So in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add the color to the walls and the furnitures and the bathroom. All the materials you see on the plan, I'm going to teach you how you guys will add it to this our floor plan. First of all, I want to thank you guys for following me to this extent. I really appreciate it. Shout out to you all. So first of all, there's a command called hash command, and you click on it, select a solid, then choose any appropriate color you need. So me, I will just go for this tutorial, I will go for this. Okay, this will do. Just select the external walls for this, miss no wall untouched. Okay, now this will do. So now you go to your your insert button, the design called design center. You can click on it, or perhaps you can just type it on your keyboard and it will show. If you open it, this is what you are all to see. Then go to folder, then click on this folder, open, and design center. Then you can actually bring everything you need here. Like open this your own page, go to block, you can bring your bed here. What again do you need there? Your cabinet, you need cabinet, the dining set here, your sofa here. Just bring everything out here. Everything you need, bring it here. Okay, I think that is all for here. Then go back, go to your house design, go to block, your beating tube is here. Bring your sink, we need sink. Bring your toilets, we need this. Okay, that's all for now. And go to your kitchen, go to cabinet, and maybe oven. Okay, this will do. Then you click on it to cancel it, then select all, then move it down. You can see that they're actually big. We just select all, make it not intersect with it, and check. Okay, do. Then go to your scale, and I'll just reduce it by 0.2. okay, you can see this is what we need. So raise it, go take it up a bit, so you can now start positioning it in the way you want. Okay, this will do. Then you can just come over with the rectangle command, then choose your, just put a little bit. Okay, enter to repeat the command. You can just come here and okay, enter to repeat the command. You can just select it, then your trim command, then enter, then trim this side. Okay, this will do. And just add a little bit circle. Okay, then just position it well. Okay, this will do at least for you guys. And if you just want to put a little bit color on this, you can actually just create layer, then layer property, then start creating layer and put furnitures. You can just create a new layer for all of them, so it won't look weird. So I'll just put it, I'll take it as green, then okay, then just select every single thing, every single thing, don't make a mistake. Okay, then furnitures, then voila, you have gotten your beautiful furnitures in place. So if you don't want to put a little bit rug on this, I can actually teach you that. You can actually use this arch command, then select any relevant one you want. This is okay. Then I'll choose a light color. Okay, this will do. Then just place it at the end of okay. Choose this, come over here, then choose another one for the okay, this will do for the parlor. So you go ahead and select this arch tool, then the toilet, okay, this will do. So when you are through with it, thank you guys. At least I'm sure you can design yours more beautiful and more presentable than mine. So in the next stage, I'm going to teach you guys how to dimension your work, and I'm going to teach you guys how to put this simple staircase here, and also teach you how to dimension your work and export it as PDF. So please like this tutorial, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because more fun is going to be coming to your way.